She ain't cried the whole time she been in here. Don't you fall off this chair.
It's Julie.
She said, "Oh, you done? Let me wake up now." You acting really like a grown person. That's what they do. Come in here and go to sleep.
Ay, no, qué risa el pelo.
She is gone.
Oh.
Were you sleepy? Oh, you were such a sweet baby. Thank you so much. I ain't have to fight with you one day. Oh my goodness. Yeah, she was drained before.